我们在茂名啊 I have surprise for you guys.
Surprise! It's me, Caitlin. I'm in their hometown, Maoming. Right, Maoming. We're here for travel. We're gonna, pick some lychee. But the problem is typhoon, storm. There is a problem. Her boyfriend is so skinny. We might lose him with the storm, and we have to catch him or maybe tie a rope and we have to, look for him.
Just giving him his
We give him this and he's gonna go. I have to go catch him, Okay?
We're gonna start a game, and the name of the game is Catch Her Boyfriend.
Yeah. We're gonna hunt next time.
Oh, this is about.
Bye.
I never learned dance.
He cannot dance.
Yeah.
He goes like this. That's the only thing he can do.
No.
Like that. Still like that one, that. No.
Try.
Try.
我真不会。
I always tell him dance, monkey dance. He goes like
My
this.
body is hard.
He goes like this. Dance, monkey dance.
Oh my god, this one they know how to dance. Usually like this.
Really?
She know how to dance.
Of course, bro.